Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve stumble guys not working. To know how to fix or how to solve stumble guys not working, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about this window of stumble guys, and when you will find it here you will enter to this window as you see. Then you will click on force stop and you will click OK. After that you will click storage, and here in this page you will click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.